everyone, I am Tanuja and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Tanu. So in this video, I am just going to share my own English journey, how I improved my English and what are the process I followed in order to improve my English. I think you should watch this video not only for that you should know my journey, but what are the mistakes you should not do and what are the process you can follow. So maybe these tips can help you a lot. So let's get into the video. So I'm starting for the very beginning. Actually, I did my schooling in Hindi medium and especially from government school. And you already know that in school there is no such kind of environment to speak in English language. We had only one subject and we had to pass the exam only. We had to write, and it is quite easy to write an exam, but if you are not speaking, so you can't get fluency in this language. Okay, so till my school days, I didn't thought about that I should learn this language, I should speak. No. And then I came into this engineering part. So here I had every subject in English language, but I didn't focus on spoken part. In college also there is no this kind of environment that people are just speaking in English. No, people were speaking in Hindi language only, and especially the lecturer were also explaining each and everything in Hindi language. So I didn't focus much on spoken part. And when I completed my engineering, so in last year of my college, when company started to visit for job placement, then I sat for interviews, I appeared in interviews, and that time I faced a lot of difficulties because I didn't focus on spoken part only, because they were asking any question in English and I had to reply in English language only. So I faced a lot of challenges and I got rejected also because of my communication skills. So first thing that you should understand that you have to start your practice from day one itself, whether you are in a school or in college time. I think you should start your spoken journey also, right? So I did this mistakes because I was not able to speak in my interviews because I didn't try to speak before that. So first thing you should understand these things, because English is necessary for our job, especially if you want to work in a good MNC company or any good reputed organization. So yes, so that's why I got rejected, and but I got realized that I think I should work on my communication. So I started learning little bit things, like how I can crack interviews. So I just mug up the questions answer in English language. So I was just writing down how I can reply in English language if they will ask me any question, or if interviewer will ask me any question, so how I would reply in English. So I just tried to make the sentence by my own, and this is how I started. And yeah, fortunately I got placed in one of the good MNC company. So when I came in my company, then I saw that people are just speaking in English language in our meetings, because in business or if you are a professional, so you have to speak in English language only. So I was facing a lot of challenges because I was really not aware how to speak, and I was able to make simple sentence because like some of the grammar things I had already known, because I had learned this thing in my school days. So I would suggest you, if you are a beginner, so you can start with the tenses, learning tenses first. So I did the same things because I know the tenses rule, and some of the modal verbs and conjunction words that are very much important. So I learned like this. That is very much important for your communication. And I started speaking gradually with my colleagues, and in my meetings I was making the sentence like simple sentence, and I was talking with myself also whenever I'm getting time. So how I was just thinking, if I have to give any update to my manager, so how I would say, how I would reply. So I was making the sentence before my meeting. And yeah, this is how I practiced. And also I practiced some like my daily routine things. I was just speaking by myself whenever I'm free. I sat on my bed, or yeah, whenever I have I had time, so I just tried to speak by myself, like my past experience, my daily routine, my introduction part. So I had prepared like this. So we had Google Translation. So I was, whenever I was facing any difficulties, so I was searching on Google Translation how I can make this sentence like this. So this is how I started. And I didn't join any institute and I didn't join any platform before speaking, because I was speaking by myself and that was sufficient, I think. And when I was a little bit confident enough that I can talk with other people and I have to become advanced in this language, then only I started talking with different people. And yeah, I had also taken subscription of one of the platform, English platform, because I wanted to know that where I'm doing mistakes, and if I'm doing any kind of major mistakes, so that I can improve those things, because no one told me before that yes, you are doing this mistake. Because no one is really care about these things. If you are doing any mistake, that is okay, but first thing you have to decide in your mind that why are you learning this language. And I think you should learn, because nowadays you already know the importance of English language. If you are working in a good company, if you are going out, and if you are going a good restaurant, and whatever things you are doing, English is necessary now. So I think you should learn. If you are a school student, if you are a college student, so I would suggest you to start your English journey from today onwards. And yeah, if so, yeah, this suggestion I wanted to give you first, that like, don't do this mistake that when you will come into the situation of speaking English, then only you will try. No, try from today onwards, and definitely you can learn, because it's not a very tough thing, but it all depends on your mindset. Because if you truly want to speak, then definitely you can learn. Just few things you have to remember in the starting, like tenses rules and modal verbs. That is very much important. Like, most of the time we use can, could, may, might, like this. And yeah, prepositions, that are very much important. So you can learn gradually these things. In the starting you can learn some basic, or we can say the common prepositions that are important, and gradually you can learn a lot of things. So start with your broken English, and once you will stuck somewhere, so you can try to find out that meaning, and you can try to find out how you have to make the sentence, and this is how you can practice. And yeah, that's what I had to say in this video. And yeah, I just wanted to motivate you all that yeah, if I can speak, so you can also speak, because I was really very introvert, and I was really not able to speak a single sentence with other people. But now I am able to speak because of my practice, and because I prepared my mind that ultimately I have to speak in English. So you can also do these things. And yeah, if you have any kind of query, and if you want to uh, ask any random question related to English language, so I will definitely help you out. You can write in the comment section also. And yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to do conversation with me, so you can send an email to me. I will definitely reply. Thanks again, and have a great day.